I honestly believe that history will be kinder to me than the contemporary media. I sincerely believe that it would be disastrous for the country to have Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister.
Hello friends, today I came before you all to show how effectively we can implement the tax payback system for the fuel price. Before going in detail, I would like to take you back to UPA government's period, that is in 2013-14, where the fuel price was around Rs 73 per litre when the crude oil was $107. At that time, the BJP had protested with a bullock and they had successfully created a false impression among the citizens with their PR work. But now in 2021, the same BJP people ruling this nation and the petrol price reached up to Rs 100 per litre. Now the excess duty is 3 times far more than that in 2013-14. Let me explain it clearly. The tax amount was around Rs 9 per litre during UPA government, that is in 2014, and now the tax amount reached up to 32 rupees and 90 paise. In addition to it, we need to pay value added tax state-wise also, where in Kerala it is far more than any other state. Why should we pay an extra amount of 60% when the actual amount of the fuel is 40%? Still, the government blamed UPA government for privatizing the petrol pumps. If it was wrong, then why couldn't this government revert it back? If the central government is not eliminating this huge amount of tax, then why the state government is sitting simply without doing anything to the people? These are the questions that keeps on in our mind. In this pandemic situation, we are facing huge unemployment and shortage of salary, and this government expecting us to pay Rs 100 per litre for the fuel alone. How is it possible for a common people like us? Few days back in Kerala, the Youth Congress had arranged tax payback protests against the hike in fuel price, where they had successfully paid back tax amount of Rs 61 back to the consumers. If it's possible for them to do it, then why can't this government eliminate the huge amount of tax in this pandemic situation? My humble request to the government is learn something and do something to the people. Jai Hind.